touch of a hand, she brings flowers to bloom. Barefoot she walks on the thorns. The single time you can lay eyes on her gloom is when she comes round early morn. She's a child of nature, a wild and weird force, a story, a legend, a lore. The girl's just as real as the one-horned horse, although she's no longer adored. Well, being revered in the old days of yore, and nothing remains but her shade. They took until they couldn't take any more. Although she was broken, she stayed. She's a child of nature, a wild and weird force, a story, a legend, a lore. The girl's just as real as the one-horned horse, although she's no longer adored. With a touch of a hand, she brought flowers to bloom. Barefoot she walked on the thorns. Her free-giving nature became her own doom. Her kind never will